Nice lighting as well. Should be even better when the plane departs. Wind picking back up again. Pretty strong. She thought about it. That would have been incredible. What an incredible landing that was. Challenge Airlines Boeing 747 here at Manchester Airport. Such a rare sight in the big year of 2026.
Well, we were going to get very lucky then.
I know.
But, they thought about it. They
thought about it. But, you know what? I'll play it safe. We'll go off the next one.
Excellent landing again, wasn't it?
Royal Jordanian next to land, but we'll see if we can slot that in.
And don't go anywhere, folks, because at the moment, as it stands, we are going to stick around for the departure. Expected within the hour, so stick around on the channel. Thank you all for being with us this afternoon as well.
Wow, what an iconic aircraft, though.
We're told there's a vehicle on board, is the info that we have. That's as much as we're told. We don't know what type of vehicle. Could be a speedboat. Could be a bicycle. We don't know. But there's some sort of vehicle on board.
Wow. Lovely ring to them engines. Incidentally, there is a Virgin Atlantic taking off at the moment.
No, it's a cargo plane, Jen.
What a strange plane that is. All white fuselage and no windows other than a handful up top. What a view, exactly. That was mental.
Yeah, great to see that arriving in, and it was awesome to see.
Another slightly rare catch for the streams. Royal Jordanian. Beautiful A320 Neo. Looks so good.
And we will take a moment to give a massive thanks to Ringway Reports for the heads up on that movement. Doing some great work on the socials to keep people